It's clearly present and obvious. You have no idea what you're doing here.
Yes. Yes,
It's very
I have
clear.
no idea. All I know is that looks good, and that has to fit in there. And that has to go there.
That's all I know too.
Yeah.
It's nasty.
It is nasty. And look, you were worried about the new one. It had a dent and everything. Look at this one. It's dented all up.
Oh, I know that one's bad. Where's the cancer at on it?
Water
That's
seats.
here, right here. The cancer. Look at the cancer. Oh, look, we got the fancy new light too. Oh, you can see the cancer really good now.
This is why we are replacing it. This can be a Christmas ornament. What do you think?
With the old D-ring fuel cap.
Next year's Christmas ornament.
Tell me who made the fuel cell? Was it made in the USA?
Dollar bills.
Dollar bills. RCI.
RCI.
You
Well,
were
yeah. So this is our second RCI tank.
our second RC. Yes.
The first one came and it looked like it had already been in a rollover. So we had to send that one back. And we have our brand new SFI 28.3 $100 sticker put on our brand new RCI tank. And we have to make this fit into that cage and go back into our car. That is our project for the evening. Let's see if we can do it.
Why now versus later?
Why now? Because we're getting ready to put the body on.
That's right. It's a whole lot easier to get it in.
Show them the
Ooh,
the gray.
sneak peek.
There. Yeah. Get rid of this.
Not really gray. It's silver.
Well, sorry, I'm not an artiste.
Let's see if we can show you guys. And then we got flat black. It's black. There's not much to show on that.
Right. No, but the best thing is the beauty of this. I can't wait to put this on. I wish it was a little bit smaller, a little cooler looking, but you know what? It's SFI rated.
You don't one of them fancy wedge fuel cells?
Yeah, you can't afford it.
Can't afford it.
Don't need it.
How much did this one cost?
I think it was about 350. So.
All right. RCI, made in the USA. We've got to swap over our fuel lines here. Looking for everyone's opinion. We've been running a single fuel line with a deadhead fuel pressure regulator, where we now have this option with the new RCI fuel tank to go ahead and add in a return line and change up our pressure regulation. Interested to know if anybody has any thoughts, any successes or failures one way or the others. We still have time to change it, but we're definitely leaning towards adding the return line since we actually have that port with our new fuel cell.
Yeah, we're very open-minded in everything we're doing. We're no experts by any means, but we're willing to give anything a shot.
All right, let's give me that traditional clap. Let's get it done.
This and that, intertwine, put in there, do it.
Let's get it done.
Okay, so we got the old one out and the new one's there, But I don't know if you guys can see it, but from a visual aspect here, it does not look like it's gonna fit.
We're taking bets?
I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Oh, look at him. Hercules. Let's see here. Snug as a bug is what we want. Maybe take it off the caster.
Those things be a bit killing me. We got a twerk and twerkers here.
Well, torque to torquers.
Let me get
The big dog.
Thank God you finally got one of these. Oh, it took him 15 years.
I had some, and I believe you probably lost them at some point.
Well, you know better than to loan stuff to me.
She's a little twisted. It's not terrible flared out. Yeah. Yeah, stick it in there.
That was almost a blooper I should have had. I don't think it's gonna do it.
I don't know, man. It's really close. I think we just, this one's kicked.
I should have put that stupid
What?
return line in. Or that vent line, I should just left it out. What do you want to do? Kick that one out?
Yep, that one needs to go out. Well, yeah, might as well do them all.
She's in! She's in!
Yep, it's in.
Fits.
It's
Fits the chips.
snug.
Mm.
I mean, if it was square,
I don't think it's gonna work.
this bar right here is not square.
Oh no.
I don't know who made this. We did not. We did not make this. We acquired this.
We did. I think we bought it all like this.
I mean, I think it needs the Asian persuasion. Where's the sledgehammer?
No, there's no persuading that.
Yeah, no, I think if this was square, it would fit. So from here to here is 18 and a quarter. And then from here to here is 18 and a half.
Yeah, it's been torqued a little bit right here too. This
Yeah.
bar bent. You can see it there. From an accident or something.
Oh, right there,
Yep.
that crease right there.
Mm-hmm. Nobody said it was gonna be easy.
Yep, nope. We're gonna make the impossible happen. Really, we just need to get rid of this bar.
What's
and
what's the overall width of that? 18 and 3/8?
the
The tank?
the tank?
Yeah.
Yeah. 18 and 3/8.
Okay, now I want you to measure.
Well,
Basket. See if it'll actually sit down in the bottom.
no, that's way short. 17 and 3/4.
Yeah, see that's where the real problem's gonna be.
Right. And even at that, well, I mean, right there is 18 and a quarter, but that's without the metal. That's close to 18 there. It was a wedge-shaped tank.
What about the length of our uprights? Yep, what do you got there?
To the flatness, flatness type, I got 14 and 5/8-ish.
There ain't no way.
15 and a half-ish.
Yeah. So all that's gotta come out. And we gotta get some, whatever, 2-inch by 1/8, I guess that's what that is.
Stripping. Make our own strip.
Oh Lord. That's probably not even an 1/8 thick. We'll just check the rule book and see what it needs to be. I know it has to be 2 inches, but I'm not for sure what the thickness is. We'll have to double check. And let's get some metal. We don't have any of that laying around. I mean, we got all sorts of stuff laying around this place, but I'm very confident we don't have anything like that.
No.
And that's definitely going to stub us up here. All that's going to have to come out, and I'm going to say we cut all of this out, whoever all this modded stuff out, and we go back to the OG frame setup here, or we just build us a whole new one because it's bent.
Well, I mean, but it's bent, but it's also fits our car. We know it fits in there.
Yeah.
The outside part does.
No,
I would say mainly what we need to do is cut this bar out.
Yeah.
And then acquire some sort of steel here, because you can obviously see that was the OG there too.
Yep.
And it was cut out.
It's on the bottom on this side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's like a little. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. There. So that is the original, and this here modified. It came with one of our old chassis, or we got it from somewhere. I don't remember.
I think I bought it off Facebook.
It's hard
Pretty
saying.
sure that's where it came from, is Facebook. Well, so much for getting the fuel cell in all the way tonight. Guess we can do a little bit of cutting and getting this thing prepped up, but this is going to be kind of a garage ender for the evening on this project. Not that late, I'm sure there's plenty of other stuff to do. We wanted to play with our new fuel cell, and that didn't happen. And that's how this stuff goes. It's
part
every
of it.
night here at LNG.
Heard that.
So I guess we'll keep on keeping on, and I'll try to get some metal. I doubt I'll get it over the weekend. Metal's usually a weekday thing, and hopefully next weekend we'll get the fuel cell put in
And
see what happens.
it'll go in here. We also got T-bars we gotta make too.
Yeah, I mean, we can do all that. We can bring the T-bars in, and we can lay the
Yeah.
decking up there, or we can work
Right.
on this T-bar here tonight
Right.
for a little bit.
We're not getting down. We're getting over it. We're moving on, and we're gonna get this thing done.
We can just go play Warzone.
Or we could go play Warzone. It's still early.